Hi guys, I hope you are okay. So today I just saw a new movie and I thought that let's make this nutshell in a new way. So today I saw.
Just like you.
So let's get started, guys. Scoob is a 2020 American computer animated mystery comedy film produced by Warner Animation Group and based on the Scooby-Doo franchise. The film is directed by Tony Cervone from a screenplay by Adam Sykes, Jack Donaldson, Derek Elliott, and Matt Lieberman, and a story by Lieberman, E.L. Podell, and Jonathan E. Stewart. It stars the voices of Frank Welker as well as Will Forte, Gina Rodriguez, Zac Efron, and Amanda Seyfried as Shaggy, Velma, Fred, and Daphne, respectively. With Mark Wahlberg, Jason Iskas, Kiersey Clemons, and Ken Jeong and Tracy Morgan as other Hanna-Barbera animated characters. It is a reboot of the Scooby-Doo film series and is intended to be the first installment in a series of films set within a Hanna-Barbera shared cinematic universe. Plans for a new Scooby-Doo film began on June 2014 when Warner Bros. Announced that they would reboot the Scooby-Doo film series with an animated film. Cervone was initially hired to direct the film in August 2015, with Dax Shepard being brought to co-direct in September 2016. By October 2018, Shepard was no longer a part of the project. Much of the cast was hired in March 2019. Animated services were provided by Real FX Animation Studios. Scoob was released digitally via video on demand on May 15, 2020. It was initially set to play in theaters on the same date, but the theatrical release was cancelled in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. Despite receiving mixed reviews from critics, it topped the digital rental charts in its opening weekend. Shaggy Rogers is a lonely kid who befriends and adopts a homeless talking dog who he names
Scooby Dooby Doo.
On Halloween night. Shaggy and Scooby meet Fred Jones, Daphne Blake, and Velma Dinkley, and together they venture inside a haunted house. The kids encounter a ghost who they capture and unmask as costume thief.
Mr. Wrigley?
The kids are inspired to solve mysteries together on a regular basis as Mystery Inc. 10 years later, Mystery Inc. decides to go into business with entrepreneur Simon Cowell, but Shaggy and Scooby are excluded from the plans. That night, the two of them are attacked by small robots called Rottens, but are rescued by the
We're in
The Falcon Fury!
Inside, they are greeted by Dee Skies, who introduce them to Dynamite, the dog wonder, and Brian Count, the son of the original Blue Falcon, who was retired. They reveal that the Rottens belong to the famed criminal Dick Dastardly, who wants to capture Scooby for his own purposes that involve collecting the three skeletal heads of Cerberus. Fred, Daphne, and Velma discovers that Shaggy and Scooby are with Blue Falcon on the Falcon Fury through social media before being captured by Dastardly. They escape and learn that Dastardly is headed to Messick Mountain, where the third and the final skull is. Using an old radio, they deliver this information to Falcon Fury and are captured again by Dastardly. He reveals that he wants to open the gates to the underworld so that he can rescue his dog Muttley, who was trapped there after they tried entering it to steal its riches.
By the way, if you are watching this video, a sub will be amazing. Now let's get back to it.
The Falcon Fury arrives near the Messick Mountain. Blue Falcon, Scooby, Dee and Dynamite finds the skull being guarded by the Captain Caveman, but Dastardly arrives and takes it. He releases Shaggy, Fred, Daphne, and Velma before destroying the Falcon Fury and damaging the Mystery Machine. Dastardly then kidnaps Scooby and departs. The group argues, but Shaggy manages to get everyone to work together and they reconstruct the Mystery Machine using the leftover Falcon Fury parts. In Athens, Dastardly uses the three skulls to unveil the gate and Scooby's paw to open it. Cerberus escapes and begins causing havoc. Dastardly enters the gate where he reunites with Muttley and they escape with some of the treasure. The rest of the heroes arrive to fight Cerberus together. Velma discovers that in order to lock the gate, someone with a close connection to their dog must close it from the other side. And so with the help of the Rottens, they got Cerberus through with the gate and Shaggy sacrifices himself. The gang realizes that there is another exit that Scooby unlocks. Shaggy is reunited with the gang while Rottens turn on Dastardly and Muttley, who were arrested. Back at Venice Beach, the gang unveil their new Mystery Inc. headquarters and celebrate with Blue Falcon, Dynamite and Didi, who in turn gave the gang a new upgraded mystery machine. The mystery gang is immediately called away on another case. So guys, this is it. How you like this video? Please share your thoughts in the comment section below and please leave a like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification icon to never miss a video from our channel. Till then, stay tuned, stay at home. I will catch you in the next one.